Hey everybody, this is my fabulous, sizzling, sensational squash casserole. It is layered with the yellow summer squash, also known as yellow zucchini. We've got green zucchini, white eggplant, how about that? And purple eggplant. And we've got onion, and it's topped with various herbs. We have beautiful basil and outstanding oregano. So can't wait to dig into this. All the ingredients are freshly grown, nothing store-bought. So we have thanking Mr. Walker for the white onion, and also give a shout out to Miss Vicki for the white eggplant. So everybody's really anxious as to how that's going to taste. It is truly my honor and my pleasure to let you know once I dig in. So I'm about to pop this in the oven. I will let you know what it tastes like. Alrighty, bon appetit.